Beautiful English. Grammar tenses speaking training kit. Active and passive voice. Color schemes. Quiz time. Your chance to master English.
No way.
Which girl is the most beautiful?
No way.
What kind of a person is he?
Nope. Keep trying.
When is he going to finish his work?
Keep trying.
Why do you want to become a doctor?
Nope.
What do you live on this planet for? How did people manage to land on the moon?
No way.
Whom will his experiment be conducted by?
No way.
Whose car is parked under that big tree?
Nope.
What a beautiful girl she is.
No way. Keep trying.
Where is their house being built?
Keep trying.
Whom have you bought this nice little present for?
No way.
Dinner is being eaten by them now. We have been building our house for 2 years.
No way.
English will be being learned by me at this time tomorrow.
Keep trying.
She had already cleaned her room before he came. Quiz 3. Our house has been being built by us for 2 years. He will have completed his project by next week. A book was being read by him at 12 o'clock yesterday.
No way.
English will be being learned by me at this time tomorrow.
Your chance to master English.